Hello students, how are you? Last time we have started exercise 6.3 and then one or two result. One is angle summability of triangle and second summability is if two lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, and then sum of the two angles on the same side of transversal is equal to 180 degree. These are called co-interior angles. Now you see question number 3, very easy. In this question, AB parallel DE given and these two angles, angle A 35 degree given and angle CDE 53 degree given. He is asking find angle DCE. So my dear students, for proof, first of all you see AB parallel DE given and this AE is A and AE is a transversal. If AE is a transversal, so therefore angle A is equal to angle E. You can say alternate interior angles. But angle A is equal to 35 degree given. So therefore angle E is equal to 35. So this angle 35 degree. Clear this? So now in triangle DCE by angle summability. So by angle summability of triangle, sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle D plus angle E plus angle DCE is equal to 180. So angle D 53 degree and angle E 35 degree and angle DCE 180 degree. So DCE 53, 35, 88 degree, 180 degree. So angle DCE 180 degree minus 88 degree. This is 92 degree. Clear this? So he is asking find angle DCE and this DCE is equal to angle DC is equal to 92. So simple two steps you have to learn. First, these two lines are parallel, then alternate angles are equal. 35, this is 35. So now in this triangle, two angles are having, and now by ASP, third angle you have to find out. Very easy concept. Understand? So now next question you read, question number 4. 2 seconds to read question number 4. What is question number 4? You see, question number 4 also it is very much easy. You can do. There will be no problem. Only I will give the hint. You will complete yourself what is given to prove. So you see question number 4. If lines PQRS intersect at a point such that angle PRT 40 degree, RPT 95, TSQ 75 degree, find angle SQT. You see my dear friends, you see the figure. In this PRT and this is SQ. In this figure, these angles, it is 95 degree, this angle are 40 degree and this angle is 75 degree and this is point T, this is Q. Now he is asking find angle SQT. Clear this? So now you see the students, I will give you the hint fastly, so you revise and once again at home also you see. So first of all, you see. First of all, I am telling you the hint I am giving. This is triangle. Two angles are here. Third angle, you find out by ASP. If this angle you have got, this angle 1 you have got, and then angle 1, angle 2 are vertically opposite. You will get vertically opposite this angle, then two angles having, then third angle you find out by ASP. Very simple. From the figure it is clear. Now, step by step I am doing. In triangle PRT by ASP, angle P plus angle R plus angle 1 is equal to 180, 95 degree, 40 degree plus angle 1, 180 degree. So this is, add this 135, angle 1, 180. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 135, that is 45 degree. So but angle 1 is equal to angle 2, these are called vertically opposite angles. One we have proved. So therefore angle 2 is equal to angle 1 is equal to 45 degree. So this angle is this 45 degree. So in this figure, two angles you are having, third angle you find out by ASP. So in triangle SQT by ASP, angle sum property, what do you say? This is angle S, this is angle SQT plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Angle S 75 degree. SQT you don't know, you have to find out. This is 45 degree. So 75 plus 45, it is 120 degree. This is SQT 180 degree. You shift 120 that side. So SQT is equal to 180 minus 120. So you will get SQT is equal to 60 degree. So this is the answer. So your angle SQT, you are asking find angle SQT. So this angle SQT is equal to 60 degree. So you can revise the question from the figure even. Two angles are given, third angle by ASP. Angle 1, angle 2, they are vertically opposite. This angle you have got 45. Now two angles are here. Third angle you find out by ASP. So from figure also you can revise. So my students, chapter is very much easy, scoring chapter. So extra person also revise yourself. Thank you. Very good.